What's up, guys? Welcome back. Gojo from season 2 of Jujutsu Kaisen doing reversal red. So, real close up on his face. This is from like the trailer, so it looks pretty slick. So, let us give this a go. Let me see. He's got a real big grin, crazy big evil grin. So, this is like originally upside down in the show or in the trailer. So I've like rotated it the right way around and it looks even creepier. So landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Big eyes, right? And big eyelashes. So let's go. So a big curved line here. Like that. And then his bottom eyelid line comes around this way, like so. It's a broken line, and it goes up around to his tear duct, just here, like so. So then his big eyelashes. So we've got like these sort of spikes out the front. And this will sort of eventually change direction and then go to like big purple eyelashes here. Down to a point there, right? His iris and his pupil. Iris in here. It's not drawn as a perfect circle, so yeah, it doesn't have to be like perfect, like so. And then his pupil real small in the middle. And then they've just added, like, there's no clouds or anything. Personally, I kind of like the eyes from season 1 better, but we'll go with right, so lines like that. And then he's got like some extra sort of eye lines coming around here. And it looks like he's got like punched in the face, right? Because there's this blood, looks like red scratch marks and stuff all down here. It comes all the way down his face. But we'll just add a few. And then some eyelashes coming down the bottom of his face here. So they've simplified the bottom eyelashes anyway. Top eyelid line just comes around like so. His eyebrow curves around that way. We'll make it a bit longer. It does go underneath his hair, but I think I'll stop it there. And it's like a little bit thicker at the front and then gets thinner as we go back. So real wide, crazy eyes, right? There might be like another sort of line there for his nose. Okay, so the other eye, just across here, about there, right? The tear duct. So you're about eye width, right? We're in proportion, so like the width of his eye will fit in here. So you can fit another eye in here. So this space and this space are about the same, okay, between the tear ducts. And then we go, so we'll go up again, and then this line curves around. And you've got like this eye spike, and then the bottom eyelid line comes around here, kind of a broken line, like so. And then we'll add his eyelashes on top, so real spiky. And at some point we change our direction. Coming down this way. And then again, some stress lines around his eye. No punch on this side, so just eyelashes like that. And then his circular iris. Pupil in the middle. And then just some like light blue and dark blue and stuff all inside here. Some iris lines like so. So he's got this orb, this sort of energy orb, just like in between his eyes, slightly lower down, right? So we'll draw it in. It's just his reversal red, this sort of circle, right? Really small, sort of, and it's like glowing red sort of orb here. You could put like lines coming out from it if you wanted. I might do that like after when I draw the rest, but just like little sort of like the sun sort of thing. Okay, very simple. Here. Okay. So his nose just below this, nostrils there, and like maybe the bridge of his nose, like just drawn in here. Oh yeah, and the eyebrow and eyelid lines over here. Nearly forgot those. And then eyebrow. Just there. So now that crazy sort of maniacal smile. So it's like, just checking what it's underneath, like it starts underneath the inside of his iris here, right? So line there, like the inside here, right? Real wide grin, right? And then it just like comes across. And then it's slightly open on the bottom. And then his bottom lip. Like so. So he looks real crazy. He's enjoying himself. And then he's got like some blood, some like stuff coming down the side of his face here. Right, and then there's two fingers here, right? So you got to draw those in. Because they're doing the sort of reversal red thing. So let's see, like here, coming onto his face, down that way, and then like his fingernail. Like so, and then the other one coming out from behind that one. Like so. And then the fingernail on top. Like that. Right, so then the shape for his face coming down from, say, like the corner of his eye here, right? So we just go diagonal. And it goes down towards his chin. So we've got like a jawbone just going that way. You can't see it on this side, but we can see sort of a face line sort of there. Can you see any of his So there, so it would go like there and then there. Yeah, you can see some of it. So the neck muscle just coming down here, like so. And right, so we'll add like all this blood sort of scratch stuff here. Like that. And then his hair, his fringe is like covered. His forehead is covered with fringe, right? So we got like a sideburn sort of here. Can you see sideburn on this side? Not really. Maybe like, yeah, there. Some sideburn hair. And then fringe coming all over, like covering like a good bit of his eyes and stuff, right? So say like here, we'll start with this. And the next one. That way. And of course, anything you will erase or color over anything that you shouldn't see, right? So more of these. So what you choose to cover with his hairs, it's kind of up to you. His hair is moving a lot as well. So don't worry if it's not exactly in the same spot as mine. You know, it's blowing with the energy and stuff, so it changes position. This one will go down here. Okay. It's because we're so close up, the hair like goes flying off that way. And then over here as well, we've got more. This comes over his ear. All the way back. And then we can see his ears in here. Right? And like ear lines and stuff inside. Like that. So that's like his hair here. Right, and then we should be able to see some hair at the back of his head as well. So say like maybe like some spikes just coming down this way. that, and then like so. Okay, and then you can add like colors, red all flying this way, you know, like as much as you want. Like if you want to add that, of course, any energy you want to add, feel free. But that's it, Gojo from season 2, Reversal Red. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.